Jai Sriman Jabali, after I heard from you, I started thinking that how did even my father appointed you in his close associates? Now I am completely disagreeing my father's decision. Nindami, aham, karma, pituh krutam, whatever my father has done, appointing you as his associate, I am now disrespecting and disagreeing with his decision. Like that, Ramachandra Swami getting back to Jabali. Sri Ramachandra Swami responding back to Jabali, saying that, "Ho Jabali, all those who are going against Vedic scriptures should not be accepted on this earth. And we should not be even running into them. Nastikena abhimukho buddhasyat. We should not be running into those who are not accepting Vedas. Ho Jabali, those who have attention towards dharma, those who have shraddha towards dharma, those who have association with good people, those who have the ability to make charities and the intention to make charities, those who have compassion towards all the entities, these are the people should be respected on this earth." Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami, when responding back to Jabali, Vachanam Sarosham, with kind of little bit anger when Ramachandra Swami speaking, then Jabali again responding back to Rama after noticing that Rama is getting angry. He's saying that, "Rama, na nastikanam vachanam bravimi aham, na nastikoham." I am not nastika, Rama. I am just giving this argument only to see that if you would be able to come back to Ayodhya. Oh Rama, as and how you are not accepting this kind of argument, so also I never accepted this kind of argument in my life. If anybody has done this argument, Nastikavadam, I too did not accept that. But Rama, now what is the situation? You know that such a big, huge kingdom, Ayodhya has no king. That is why in this kind of critical situation, I am just speaking like that. I am just talking like that, Rama. Only to have you inclined towards Pattabhishekam, I gave this argument, Rama. But and another angle is, the entire world should notice that. The entire world should recognize that. Saying that even after Jabali said so many very, very sweet words and convincing words and gave a wonderful argument, yet Rama did not shake from his righteous path. That world should recognize you. That is why I gave this argument, Rama. Not only that, I wanted to console Bharata. I wanted to make you pleased towards me. With all these intentions, I gave this argument, Rama. Like that, Jabali again said back to Ramachandra Swami. Then right next to them, Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi is also there. He also noticed Kruddham Agnyaya Ramantu. He also noticed angry in Sri Ramachandra Swami, and now he is saying that, "Oh Rama, Jabali is not Nastika. He does believe in our Shastras. He does believe in our Vedas. Ho Lokeswara, Rama, Nivartayitu Kamastu, only to have you come back to Ayodhya, he gave that kind of Nastikavadam. He did that. Oh Rama, now I would like to give you complete idea about entire Ikshvaku Vamsam, the dynasty. How was your ancestors? In that process, I would like to come from the beginning of the Srishti. Like that, now Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi is explaining about Srishti Kramam, the process of creation, saying that, oh Rama, when it was all water, at that time the earth was established. Then from Parabrahma Srimannarayana Samabhavat Brahma, Brahma Swayambhu, Daivatais Saha, Chaturmukha Brahma came, all the Devatas came. Then Sri Mahavishnu is the one who came down as divine boar Varaha Swami Savaraha Tato Bhutva Projahara Vasundharam. He is the one who established, who constructed this Bhumata, who established this Bhumi. Like this, Vasishtha Maharshi is now giving Srishti Kramam, the process of Srishti, to Sri Ramachandra Swami. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.